This is the Doudlah Farms yellow popcorn. This is organic popcorn kernels here. This is really great stuff. We've been using it for quite some time. There's 34 servings of popcorn right here. This is one serving right here. This is about 3 teaspoons. We just used the quarter teaspoon, the quarter measuring cup here. And this is what 1 serving pop looks like. It fills up this entire popcorn bucket. We use this this air popper right here. Basically, the kernels just air pop right in here. But this stuff is really great. You can see the bag, very full. You get a lot of kernels in here. This is a pretty heavy bag. You can see here, 34 servings, 3 tablespoons. But we've been using this for a while. It has a really great taste to it, over and over. And we really like the fact that it's organic, doesn't have any crazy chemicals or anything like that. When you just look at the ingredients here, it's just non-GMO, organic, whole grain popcorn kernels. So that's why we like this one. It has a really great taste to it. But overall, very pleased with it. Again, this is 1 serving here, 34 servings. This is what it looks like pop. So highly recommend picking some of this up. It's really great.